Hello, children. Okay, we can start the Laplace transform. Next topic is using integration by parts derive the formula of Laplace transform of cos omega t and sin omega t. Here we can use two methods to find these formulas. Okay, using integration by parts derive the formula of L of cos omega t and L of sin omega t. This is first method. Okay, next method I will teach you. Okay, L of cos omega t equal to LC. We can give the short letter LC. That is equal to L of cos omega t and L of S, that is L of sin omega t. Okay, then LC equal to, LC is L of cos omega t equal to integral 0 to infinity. What is the formula of Laplace transform? L of f of t equal to e raised to integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus st f of t dt. Here f of t is cos omega t. Okay. So here use e raised to minus st into f of t cos omega t. Cos omega t dt. That is first into integration by parts. Okay. First into, here use in isolate, using the isolate method. Isolate. Exponential is last one. So integral 0 to infinity cos omega t e raised to minus st dt. Okay, that is equal to first into integral of second e raised to minus st by minus s, limit 0 to infinity minus integral of derivative first cos omega t derivative minus sin omega t into omega into integral of second. What is integral of second? Minus e raised to minus st by minus s into dt. Okay, that is equal to cos omega t. Okay, we can give the upper and lower limit. That is e raised to minus infinity 0. So this term is 0. Then cos 0 equal to 1. Cos 0. The place of t we can give 0. Cos 0 equal to 0. E raised to 0 is 1. So upper limit minus lower limit. Minus minus plus 1 by s. Minus. What is the definition? What is the form of this one? That is equal to here minus minus plus 1 by s into integral 0 to infinity 0 to infinity e raised to minus st sin omega t dt. Omega is also here. So this is the short note of 1 by s. Here minus this. Oh, sorry. Here also minus. Minus omega by s. That is equal to by omega by s into ls. Ls is, what is that one? Integral. Okay. 0 to infinity e raised to minus st sin omega t dt. Sin omega t dt. What is ls? This one. So this is the form of e raised to minus st. So maybe this type of derivation they will ask at the time, use integration by parts method. Yes. Then next one. Ls. What is Ls equal to? L of sine omega t dt. That is equal to integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus st sine omega t dt. Okay, using Eilert method, we can use first into. First is sine omega t. First into integral of second e raised to minus st by minus s. It is 0 to minus integral of derivative first sin omega t. Sin omega t derivative cos omega t into omega. Derivative of first into integral of second. Okay. Not confuse. So, sorry. Sin omega t sin omega t e raised to minus st dt. Okay. Into e raised to minus st by minus s dt. So upper minus lower. E raised to minus infinity infinity is 0. So this term full 0. Sine 0 is 0. So here no values here. So minus minus plus omega by s into integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus st cos omega t dt equal to omega by s into LC. Okay. By substituting LS into the formula LC on the right and then by substituting LC into the formula for LS on the right. Okay. That is equal to LC equal to, what is LC? 1 by S minus omega by S into omega by S into LS. What is LS? LS equal to omega by S into LC. Omega by S into LC. This is equal to LC plus omega by S into, that is omega square by S square into LC. Left side we get, that is 1 by S. LC is common. So L1 plus omega square by S square equal to 1 by S, which implies LC into LCM S square plus omega square by S square equal to 1 by S. That is LC equal to, what is LC? S and S cut here. So LC equal to S by S square plus omega cos. What is the value of cos? L of cos omega t cos S by S square plus omega square. Then substituting the place of LC, we get the value of LS. So omega by S into, what is LC? 1 by S minus omega by S into LS. Here also LS plus omega by S into omega LS plus omega square by. So open the bracket, we get omega square by S square. into ls equal to omega by s into 1 by s. Okay, any doubt? So ls is common. 1 plus omega square by s square into omega by s square. Take the LCM, ls into s square plus omega square by s square. Then omega by s square. S square cancel. We get ls. Ls equal to, what is ls? Laplace transform of sine. Sine transform is omega by s square plus omega square. So in the cos s by square plus and ls sine is sine transform omega by s square plus omega square. Then another method to find the Laplace transform of sine and cosine. L of sine at or omega t, as you wish you can choose this one. Here I use omega t, that is equal to omega by s square plus omega square. We know that this one. So L of sine omega t equal to integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus st sine omega t dt. We know the formula. What is the formula of integral e raised to ax into sine bx dx? E raised to ax by s square plus b square. E raised to ax by s square, the coefficient of x power, plus s square plus b square into a sine bx sine bx minus the integral of sine is minus cos b cos bx. Okay, here we can use this one. E raised to minus st by coefficient power, okay, sum, then omega square into minus s sine omega t minus sine minus omega a, in the place of a is minuses, in the place of b is omega, minus b sine cos omega t limit, what is the limit? 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity. Okay, a raised to minus infinity 0, the full term is 0. So the lower limit is e raised to 0 is 1. 1 by s square plus omega square. Sine 0, 0. So this one is 0. Cos 0 is 1 minus lower limit minus minus plus omega. The answer is omega by s square plus omega square. Otherwise, you can use, that is integration by parts formula. Okay, then cos omega t. L of cos omega t cos s by s square plus omega square. That's the formula of this one. L of cos omega t equal to integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus st cos omega t dt. That is equal to integral e raised to ax into cos bx dx equal to e raised to ax by s square plus b square into a cos bx. A cos bx. What is the integral of cos? Plus sine. So b sine bx. Here we get, that is equal to e raised to minus st by coefficient of t is minus the whole square plus the price of b is omega. omega square into a minus a cos omega t, a cos bx plus b, in the place of b is omega, b sine omega t. The limit varies from 0 to infinity. Upper limit is 0. Okay, e raised to minus infinity 0. E raised to minus infinity 0. E raised to 0 equal to 1. So lower limit e raised to 0 is 1 by s square plus omega square. Here lower limit minus minus plus s cos 0 1. So the answer is sin 0 0. So we get s by s square plus omega square. Anybody have doubt, please ask. So using integration by parts, derive the formula. Okay, next one is exponential formula. Then like that, e raised to x into cos bx and e raised to x into sin bx form. Okay, give the notation LCLS. That is LS is sin omega t, LC is cos omega t. Using integration by parts, we can use this. Integration by parts, we can derive the Laplace transform of sine and cosine. Next one is e raised to x into sin dx and cos bx. Okay, thank you.